Hello, this is Victoria from Blue Heron Arts. I painted this plum blossom. This almost the season. I have that in bud in my garden already. On the silk, this is antique silk, antique colored silk. Can you see that? I like this personally. I did the jaw lines and the flat wash. And the separated wash for gradation, and the last, very last, and also for texture, anything. Very last step, I try to record it a little bit, is to put the center stamen, pistil stamen in the center for these yellow things. And this is considered another special technique. It's only in the this step. I did some already. I saved 2 of them. See the back view with no stamen shows. And this is supposed to in the front. So stamen and the pistil. I use yellow, Chinese yellow, from Marie's color, watercolor, and yellow gumboge actually, and white, titanium white, those 2. And this step is need the color be very thick. So those 2, so yellow is for the color for bright, and white I try to make it opaque. I use the mini liner brush. We have that in the website for sale, for the little dot, for dot the stamen. And I just on this step, very thick. How thick? Just pick this, like the whipped cream, like that, and dot it.
The Italian dots.
This is kind of the half side view of flower, right? Open to that side. So small and big, like that. So I got this directly from the tube, the paste is like this thick. Only this step, in Chinese we call 粒粉. 粒 means stand. So that is thick as it can stand by itself. 粉 means powder. So very thick powder made paste for this step color. Other step, we need to make it very thin, right? Up to 9 layers, still can see the texture of the painting media. Like silk, you can see still silk. Paper still can see it's still paper, right? But this step, directly pick the paste and put it on. Okay, 粒粉 with volume of that. And this fabric, so I need to do slow and let it, they're kind of absorbent, slowly, gradually. Whole like the circle, but a little bit longer and shorter for the stamen, right? And no water to combine. If you made from powder, the thickness should be like this thick. Yeah, we call this, it's like the pile of pearls with volume. Very thick, stand by itself, and even in center, a little bit sunken. It's a dot. Yeah, I think that's about it. I don't want it too much about that. So I think I finished. Let me check. Did I dot everywhere? The front seems yet. Okay, I finished all of them, and in Chinese way, professionally, want it to be very clear and clean for this kind of Gongbi paintings on the silk, and also required even the color is too rich, too much, even until the next day, you still brush, get some water to halfway wet to wash the excess color powdery things to let it get a little more clean, more clear. So our it's on silk. Can you see that? It's transparent. Let it dry totally until tomorrow. See if necessary I need to take off some place too much color or add some things. Okay, I just want to show you the last step of dot the center, the pollen dots, the center stamen or pistil. Okay, thank you for watching, and I think I will teach the Plum Blossom workshop in the January next month, but probably not this piece, because this piece with too many things. And I will choose one smaller and a little bit simple, because this with the bamboo together. I'm not decided yet, but I know in the January, that's the season for the first flower in Chinese traditionally painting in the spring. It's a plum blossom. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.